Hey, what's up everyone? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install Samsung S26 Ultra privacy display feature on your any Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay guys, simply download this app on your Galaxy device. This app downloading available on description. Simply download and tap and open. Look at this guide. Simply set some permissions. Look at this, I'll set complete permission. Simply tap on start button and look at this floating icon. First, let me show you curtain settings. Look at these many beautiful patterns for hide your display, and you also set with plain colors. First let me show you. Okay, first I will select this pattern. Now simply tap on floating icons and look at this. Guys, you set proper size for hide your display. Look at this. For now, I hide complete display. Now simply tap on lock button and look at this. I using display with privacy. Simply tap on unlock button and you also set opacity like this or full screen mode. If you go to setting, now look at this, you also select patterns. Now simply tap on start button and look at this. Simply tap on lock and use your display with complete privacy. Look at this, I go to messages. If you select half display for privacy, then simply select and lock display. Look at this. This is really awesome, right? Okay, let me show you more options. Simply go to floating avatar setting. You also set floating icons like this, many different icons, and also set size. And you also move icon anywhere on display. Now, next setting, look at this app setting. Simply go to app setting and you also set distract mode, distraction free mode, extend opacity mode. Guys, I suggest this extended opacity mode, this option always disable, because you not operate your display will this option is turned on. Then remember this option always turn off on your device. Look at this full screen mode. You also set app dark mode or light mode or set separate color like this. Okay, now go to certain setting and look at this plain option. Simply select plain color. Look at this opacity. Now start again and you also use with plain color, but guys, I suggest use pattern for more privacy. Look at this. And look at this, I use my Galaxy with privacy. Guys, if you go to setting, this app not working on setting and not working also on lock screen. Look at these messages. You can't read my messages. So guys, you also use this privacy display feature on your any Galaxy device. Look at these many beautiful patterns, but I suggest set strong pattern for hide your display like this. So guys, you also hide your display and operate with complete privacy. You also install this new privacy feature on your any Galaxy device. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.